Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. It is time for you to get a pencil, crayons, and your September journal. It's been a while since Mrs. Hensley has done a September journal page with you, so I thought I would do one today, okay? So once you have your journal, your September journal, crayons, and a pencil, then you can begin your journal. Mrs. Hensley has the date right here. There's a little bit of a glare to it. I'm sorry, friends. Let me see if I do that. If it, nope, doesn't take it away. Oh, nope, not so much. Okay, maybe a little bit, but okay, so it's 9-28-20, or you can do SEPT period, finger space 28, comma, finger space 2020, or September, finger space 28, comma, finger space 2020. Okay, I'll leave that there, or actually you can pause if you would like, and I'm sorry that there's a glare on that. I don't know how to get that glare off, okay? But you can pause that. I am going to go ahead and go on, okay? Okay. I am going to draw in my journal today, but Ms. Hensley has to write the date at the top. So I'm going to do the SEPT period 28, comma 2020. See that? That's how Mrs. Hensley did hers. Okay, I'm going to draw kind of something that we've been talking about. A little bit of something that we've been talking about. Okay, what do you think that is? I should have made it a little bit wider, but that's okay. What do you think it is? It's a barn. So, I've got to write the sounds that I hear. B, 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 b. Oh, what do you hear? B, b. A B. B, R. R. Oh, I hear an R. Barn. I hear an N. So Mrs. Hensley wrote her word barn. Okay, now I'm going to get my crayons and color my barn. And I'm going to get a red crayon and trace. You noticed I drew with pencil because that's very, very important. So you can erase if you make a mistake. Okay, I need my black crayon so I can go over that. And I will leave my yellow crayon to color in the hay before Mrs. Hensley starts coloring her barn. So I'm putting some hay in here. Okay. And if I wanted to get real adventurous, Mrs. Hensley could even put an animal in the barn window, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, and you're going to draw something for me using your pencil and coloring with your crayons. And of course, before you start coloring, remember you have to write your words, right? And Mrs. Hensley is kind of being sloppy with this because I don't want to take a lot of time. So I'm trying to, I don't want to see any white in your coloring, okay? So there we go. That's Mrs. Hensley's barn. Okay, now I want you to write the date. I want you to draw your picture. I want you to write the sounds that you hear. No help from an adult, no help from siblings. I want you to listen to the sounds that you hear, write those letters of the sound you hear, and then color your picture, just like Mrs. Hensley did. I've got my date, I drew my picture with pencil, I wrote the sounds I heard, and then I colored my picture. And if I wanted to add some detail to my picture, I could. Okay? You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.